Assalamu alaikum, alhamdulillah. This is your brother Al-Khatib calligraphist, and today I have landed here in Indonesia, and the first place we have arrived to is Masjid Salman ITB, which is the Institute of Technology in Bandung. Alhamdulillah, I had the opportunity of teaching all these children you can see, and subhanallah, subhanallah, they've thoroughly enjoyed the session. A lot of them came and asked us so many questions. I managed to actually write their names for each and every single one of them in Arabic as well. We had plenty of time to do all of that, alhamdulillah. And the books that I actually compiled for them were translated for them in the Indonesian language, which I found so fascinating. I hope each and every single one of them go on to become calligraphers, inshallah. Jazakallah khair once again to Global Ihsan Relief for making this possible. May Allah bless this amazing organization. I can't wait to do more sessions like this here in Indonesia, inshallah. Keep me in your du'as. Wassalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.